Today, Binance will be listing UniLend UFT in the innovation zone. So simply, one thing you should understand about trading newly listed coins is that it's open to volatility. Lots of volatility. That this UFT now is trading on so many other exchanges. It would have been advisable to buy it on other exchanges and send it to Binance, but in this case now, it's already so high on other exchanges. So if you're going to participate in this, what you should know about newly listed coins is that most of them always go up very well, and after a few hours they will drop. So if you don't catch it before it goes up very well, please wait for it to drop before you buy. Don't just jump into a new listed coin because you might end up buying the top of that coin. Wait for it to drop and then you buy. Every new listed coin will drop. So if you look at this place now, there's what we call the innovation zone. First of all, we have based on Nigerian time, we have about an hour to the listing on Binance, which is by 10 a.m. Nigerian time. So you go to market, and you go to market. Now you're seeing spot, futures, and zones. Now under spot, all these coins trading spot is spot trading, and under futures are all the coins trading futures, and then under zones is where you now find the DeFi coins, the innovation coins, and all the zones. These are different. We have DeFi, proof of work, proof of stake, innovation, and storage. So it's all the DeFi. Then under DeFi, we then have also all the coins. These are all the coins on the DeFi coins. Then we have under innovation. This is where the token will be listed. So every new token comes under the innovation zone on Binance. So the coin, as the coin gets is listed, it will appear here. So these are all the coins that are new. And also when it starts trading, you see you go under like market normally, and then of course it's already been listed, but trading has not started. So that's a UFT ETH under two pairs, UFT ETH and UFT BUSD. ETH, which means you can trade this UFT with Ethereum, and you can trade it with BUSD. Not these are the pairs you can trade it only with, BUSD and ETH. So if you trade this coin, you buy with Ethereum or you buy with BUSD. Remember what I said. If it already spiked, wait for it to drop. Every new listed coin will drop and then pump again. So wait for it to drop before you buy, and then you make profit with the pump. Alright. So that's it. That's how to use. And then some of the times if you're going to buy a coin that's going to be sold on an exchange, and you knew like maybe days earlier, you can easily check if the coin is listed on any other exchange, and then you can send it to when it's time for depositing on the exchange to be listed on. You can deposit on the exchange and then wait for it to start selling, and then you can sell off as soon as you are on profit. So I hope this video made sense to you about trading this stock, so you don't go and jump into the top and then you now have to wait for it to get to the top before you now start making profits on the coin. So that's it. Thank you.